So good evening beta, welcome back. Today we will study how we can prove the law of conservation of momentum. So what we have to prove, I will write it here. We have to prove the total momentum or total initial momentum of the objects of a system of objects is equal to total final momentum of the system of objects, that is MA UA plus MB UB is equal to MA VA plus MB VB, that is total momentum or initial momentum of the system is equal to total final momentum of the system. According to the law of conservation of momentum, as we have studied in our last lecture, that these are conserved if any unbalanced external force is not applied on the system. Now what, according to Newton's third law, what we know that? So we can write, according to Newton's third law of motion, what we can say that the force exerted on the object B by object A is equal and opposite to the force exerted on object B by object A. So we can write it like this. So what we have seen that according to the Newton's third law of motion, the force exerted by MA, that is object A, on MB, that is object B, it is equal and opposite to the force exerted by MB on MA. That means both are exerting the force which is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So from Newton's third law of motion again, what we can see here, that the force, it is equals to mass multiplied by acceleration. So here what we can write here, this force is equals to, for MA, if we take out MA or MB common, so we are taking MB first, so mass of B common, then the final velocity of B minus initial velocity of object B upon time t. It will be equal to the object A, MA common, again mass of final velocity of object A minus initial velocity of object A upon time t. But these are in opposite direction, so we have to put a negative mark, minus sign here. Clear? Now we will solve it. For this we can see here that both the time are in the denominator and are equal because they act for the same time, so the time will get cancelled out. So now what we can write here, that MB multiplied by VB, MB multiplied by VB minus MB multiplied by UB it is equal to minus MA multiplied by VA, again minus minus plus MA and UA. So what we can write here, we can exchange, this will go there and this negative will come here, then we can write it like this. After exchanging their position, MB VB plus MA VA, it is equals to MA UA, not U, it was V, VA plus MB and UB. So what we have done here, we have taken this negative here and this negative to this position. Now if the total comes here and this total comes there, then there will be no change in the sign. We can write it like this: MA UA plus MB UB, MA UA was MA. So look at here now, this is MB VB and we have brought this MA VA here, then it becomes positive, and this MB UB goes in the opposite direction, so it becomes positive MB UB, and now MA UA as it is. So we are bringing all this here, then what we can write, MA UA plus MB UB, this will be equal to again MA VA MA VA plus MB VB. This is same as the above. So what we can write here, that this is the proof for the law of conservation of momentum. That means the total initial momentum of the object is equal to total final momentum of the object. So now we will discuss some applications of the third law of conservation of momentum. So applications of the law of conservation of momentum. So what we can write here, for the first point we can see, we should hold the gun tight on our shoulder, because when we fire a bullet and due to recoil of the gun, the target can be missed if we will not hold the gun tight to our shoulder, because the gun recoils. So what we can write here, that while firing a bullet, from gun, the gun should be held tightly. To the shoulder. due to the recoil of the gun. Recoil of the gun. Similarly, when a man jumps out of the boat to the shore, then the man pushes the boat a slight in the backward direction, and the boat pushes the man in the forward direction. Hence, it also conserves the momentum. So, for the second point, we can write when a man jumps from the boat to the shore, then the man pushes the boat backwards. The man pushes the boat backwards. And the boat also pushes the man in the forward direction. For the conservation of the momentum. Similar, the rockets and the jet planes, they also works on the principle of law of conservation of momentum. So we can write this also as a third application. The rockets and the jet planes also works on the principle of conservation of momentum. Conservation of momentum. As we know that when the rocket moves in the upward direction, then the fumes comes downward and the rocket moves upward. The action is fumes and the reaction is the movement of upward direction of the rocket. Similarly, when a jet plane moves, it ejects fumes as the action and it moves in the forward direction as the reaction. So, beta, this was the last topic for your chapter. Now the chapter is finished, and if you have any doubt, then you can call me for any type of numericals based on this or we have studied earlier. And till then, thank you.